RGTI stock analysis is for tomorrow, Friday. So what I'm doing in this short video is breaking down my exact play. Look, I'm the only guy on this page that done this for actually 5 years and documented everything. All 42,000 videos that I've done have been documented, and ultimately looking at RGTI, looking for a very similar thing, buying more. Well, you might start to think, you know, but why buy more? Bro, I've been the one buying like since it was like $2. You might think there's no way you've been buying this since $2. Yeah, like literally it was $3 at the time of making this video, then came even lower, right? And that's what I expected though, the price to pull down on that low part. 6 months back, this is 4th of December. You know what I mean? Like, it's taken a while, but then I got the swing. I got these quick little lower time frame longs. I got like a break even in the between, and unless I see the price pulling down, mate, there's just no way that I'm gonna look to buy. So here's the top. Boom, boom. If this does not pull down, it shows me any sort of a shift, then there's no way I'm gonna look to buy. Like, buying the top here will not make sense. Doesn't even have to come this low, if you know what I mean. Like, I just want to see a decent correction and a double break. That's all I care about. And if not, that's all Gucci. So if you want to learn how I'm playing all that, my picks, 5, 10K months and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. Tell 100 people who've tried it.